day, everyone. How are we doing today? I hope we are doing good by His grace. By God's grace, you are welcome to my channel, Lady Zion Mother Creativity. If you are old subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for staying tuned with us. If you are new, you are highly welcome to Lady Zion Mother Creativity. I will be so glad for you being among us. Welcome. And if you want to know more about this channel, just subscribe and be one of us. So today, our topic today will be how I make coconut rice for my baby. So we are going to make wonderful and perfect coconut rice for my baby. This is the rice I'm using. You can see this one is breaking rice. Small. It's very tiny. I don't know how to put it for you people to understand. But this is, I know you can see it, just so tiny. It's a pieces of rice. And if you need the name, don't forget to leave it in the comment section below, because those normal foreign rice, she don't like that, because I don't know if it's too big or the seed is too big for her. So I just normally find out that when I bought this rice and I make it for her, she really enjoyed it, and I love the way she was eating that food that very day. So I continue making this rice for her. You can try it if you are interested. And this is the coconuts. I have peeled it. This is coconut. This is our coconut. And the potato. I normally put potato in every of my baby's food, because, and our onions. And this is our coconut oil, because I'm going to make it with coconut oil. And this is our avocado pear. So but she's going to eat it after making the rice, because I'm going to put it on top of the rice. So that is how I prepare the food for her. So enjoy watching as I slice the onions and the coconuts, because we are going to take it to the blender. We are going to blend it. You know, coconut is little bit strong, so that you should not spoil your blender. So you just have to dice it. You can see this is how I make the coconut. You can see how I dice it. And the onions, I'm going to blend the both. Just add enough water that will be enough for you to blend it. Welcome back. I have blended the coconut and the onions. Just put my pot on the fire, so I don't know if you can see it very well. Before it gets hot, I want to cut the patata. So before then, let me just melt this oil. Just melt it. I can get enough for me to use for my coconut rice. So guys, I will just wash the rice now and put it inside the pot. Because of how I just have to wash it with this little filter. How little in pieces. Just allow the rice to cook inside the oil little before adding the coconut oil. We are going to 2 to 3 minutes inside the oil, like frying the rice little bit. Just stir so that it should not get burned. So before the rice fried a little bit, we just have to go ahead bringing out the water in our coconut. You can see this. So this is how you will continue eating. You bring out coconut water from the coconut. So the rice has been frying for some minutes, as I told you, and this is my coconut water. You can see I have enough coconut water here. It's what I bring out of it. We are going to throw this one away. So as I said, I will be adding the coconut water inside the rice now. So we'll now be adding the potato along with it. Everything will just done together. We are going to be adding little salt for taste. We are going to cover it for, let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see it. Just have to leave it for 30 minutes. So our coconut rice will be ready. So welcome back, guys. This has been cooking for less than 22 to 23 minutes. Let's just check. Wow, you can see how it look like. This is, I love the coconut aroma. You can see, you can see it very well. See how it look like. So we are still going to leave it for less than 8 minutes. But before then, I just want to add little oil. That is how I prepare my princess favorite food. We are going to leave it less than 8 minutes, as I said. And before then, I just have to prepare the avocado. I made the pear. Just remove this seed. So She's using one part of it, this one. Just have to taste it. Wow, this is delicious. Let's just give it a low heat. It's about to be served now. So guys, let's turn the gas off now. So guys, you can see it. This is our coconut rice. So all the potato just got made. This was the potato, but everything have done with the rice. So just give it a try and see how wonderful it is. This is yummy. You can see how it look like. So guys, we are done with our coconut rice.
Thank you for staying tuned and thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to leave your comment on the comment section below and hit the notification button. And don't forget to leave your like, comment. Thank you as you do. May God bless you in Jesus' name. Stay blessed, everyone. Bye-bye.